What's up guys, this is Hardik here. So I know it's been a while I have uploaded a video on YouTube, be it a tech video itself. So yeah, I thought why not start it off with a what's on my Android video itself. So yeah, I've been thinking of flashing the Android P beta on my Pixel itself. So I thought why not before that showcase my apps and my setup itself. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So basically this here is my home screen itself. I have two home screens and I have the Google Now page at the left. So basically this here is my home screen and I like to keep it pretty organized, pretty neat and clean with all these folders itself. So on the left, as you can see, I have the Google Now page itself, and yep, the FIFA World Cup is going on right now. So yeah, on the first home screen, as you can see, I have many folders here, but down at the dock itself I have the apps that I use on daily basis. So Google Play Music, I do have a subscription of that as well. Then I use Phoenix for Twitter. I mean, this is not a good Twitter client, but I bounce back between this and the official Twitter client itself. So yeah, that is it. Then I have the Play Store. Then I have the Photos app. As a Pixel device, I have unlimited Google photo storage right over here. So this is that. Then I have the camera app itself. So now going on to the folders itself, the first folder I have is a folder called News, and as you can see there are apps here as Relay Pro. So I have the Pro version of this, and I use it quite a lot. I basically browse through the Android section and to the news section itself. So as you can see, I do browse it like a couple of times in a day, so that's there. Then I have Feedly for news as well. Then I have the Bebom app as well. So I've been using the Bebom app more than I expected because of the UI itself. So the UI on the Bebom app is really cool. But anyways, the second folder here is called Travel, and it consists of Waze, Uber for transportation itself. I have the Google Maps. I have Blay. So Blay is basically an app that tracks your flight itself. So I don't have any flights right now, but I did have my previous flights added. So you could add the flight number if you want, and it will track and it will tell you all the things that you'll need and all the basic amenities of your flight itself. So this is a pretty cool app, and I'd recommend you all to try this. Then going back in travel, we have Google Trips as well. So recently I've been to Bali, and the Google Trips app was of a lot of help on that trip itself. Then going back, I have the battery icon, which is a battery shortcut right over here. So I basically use this to check on my battery stats itself, as Google Pixel battery has been degrading a lot these days. So yep, just for that. So going back, we have the food folder, and here I have the Starbucks app, Zomato, Uber Eats, Swiggy, and the secret menu for Starbucks. So basically what this app does is it tells you all the secret menus for Starbucks itself. So as you can see, this app does consist of ads, and basically there's no way of getting rid of them. But basically what this app does is will tell you all the menu for the app. So for example, I have this drink and it will tell you how to order that particular drink itself. So that is that. Then yeah, that's pretty much it for the food folder. Then we have weather, and I have purchased the dark sky and the weather widget or the weather app right over here. So this has been pretty fun. I mean, I do like the material design it has on its own, and if you tap on it, as you can see, it gives us a lot of information. Basically it also gives us stats. So as you can see, so this is pretty cool. There you go. So yeah, I also do have a weather widget of this app on my second home screen, which I'll be going on a bit later. So yeah, this is the app itself. Then I have the dark sky app as well for weather, and yeah, I use this a lot as well. So as you can see, it gives us a map of precipitation, the radar, and stuff like that. So this is also a pretty cool app. So yeah, there we go. Then I have the stock Google weather app right over there. Then the next here I have a folder called edit, and it consists of all my photo editing apps. I don't think there's a need of introduction of any of these apps. So yeah, they're pretty much self-explanatory. Then we have shopping. I have the Amazon, eBay and the Prime now. I do have the Prime subscription as well. Then we have the storage app, and here I have the Google Drive and Dropbox. Again, pretty much basic apps. Then I have music. In this I have SoundCloud, Shazam and SoundHound. So I keep bouncing between Shazam and SoundHound because both of them are really good. So the music that I don't get on Shazam, I find it on SoundHound, and again vice versa as well. So yeah, that's it. Then we have payments, and I have a Paytm and Chiller, which are pretty famous in India, and I have the My Subscriptions app. So basically what this app does is will let you know what all subscriptions that you have and how many days or how much time that you have to pay it. So there are tons of them, as you can see, and you can add as much as you want. So these are few of my subscriptions, and yeah, the ones that you don't get, you can just add it right over here and then auto or manually add it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Then going back, we have a phone, and we have settings on opposite side of the home screen, and then we have the social app. In this we have the Instagram app here right over here, and again do follow me there, link will be in the description below. So this is my profile here itself. Then we have the Twitter app, again links will be in the description, and as I said, I keep bouncing on between the Flamingo and the Twitter app frequently, so that's there. Then I do also have a LinkedIn app. I don't use it much, but I just have it. Then I have Pocket Cast. This is the best purchase I have made on the Play Store. I listen to podcast a lot these days. Like after getting this app, I've been constantly listening all the Droid Life, the Vergecast, Alphabet Scoop, and as you can see there are tons of them here. So yeah, I've been listening to all of them recently. Also, Google just released their own podcast app, so which is right over here. It's called Podcast itself, and I do like this UI a lot, but I don't know, I just go back to the Pocket Cast app itself. Then going back, we have Snapchat. Again, I use it a lot. I have the spectacles itself, so if you want to see some spectacles footage from my life, to follow me there on Snapchat. Again, links will be in the description. Then we have TV Time. So this app here is a lot better than what people say it is. So I've been using this for quite a while now. It usually basically keeps track of your TV shows going on. So recently I'm on The Walking Dead, and I'm on the 13th episode. So yeah, so also it basically tells you how many days you have for new episodes and whatnot. It also let us know that what shows we are up to date on. So there we go. Also we have finished the Everything Sucks. So yeah, basically this is actually a really cool app. It also gives us a statistic of how many days or how much time that we have spent watching and all the stuff like that. So yeah, it's a pretty cool app. Should definitely try it out. The next we have WhatsApp and Authy. Authy is an authenticator app. So yeah. Then we have a folder called YouTube, and I have the Creator Studio, and yeah, I use it a lot. Every YouTuber uses this a lot, and yeah, I do reply to your comments and check my analytics and stuff like that. And also we have YouTube itself. Then we have a folder called Google, and basically all the Google apps that are present on the Play Store are right over here. So yeah, it is actually pretty self-explanatory, right? So yeah, you could check it out for yourself. Also follow me on Google Plus. I do use it a lot these days as well. Then I have settings, as I said. So yeah, that is pretty much my first home screen. And then if you go to the second home screen, as I said, I have the weather widget right over here, as you can see, and I have few of the shortcuts right over here. So we have the Just a Line app, which is basically a AR app. So it uses your phone's camera, and you could draw anything which will basically look like a 3D image itself. So yeah, it's a pretty cool app. Please try it out for yourself. Then we have my library and all the shortcuts. And the last folder I have is called Fitness. I do have the Health Mate app, which is right over here, as you can see. And yeah, I've been keeping track of my steps and whatnot. Also the Wear OS app, because I don't know, I just put it there. So yeah, basically this is my home screen itself. Just slide up for the app drawer, and as you can see, I have the Aftershave app for tracking my parcels. I have Ampere, so I've paid for it basically to uh, reduce the ads or to get rid of the ads itself. So yeah, I use this as well. I have the AZ screen recorder by which I am recording the video right now. I have the Bitmoji app. I have Book My Show for booking movie tickets and stuff like that. I have again Datally app from Google, which basically lets me save a bit of a data, a bit of a mobile data, and also lets me connect to some public Wi-Fi. But I do recommend using a VPN for that as well. I have deliveries again for a bit more information on my parcels. Then if I scroll down, I have the FIFA app. Again, the World Cup is going on right now, and yeah, I have it. I have a Find device as well. The Gallery app, which is recently launched by Google. I don't know what that is. I mean, I don't know how it works, but yeah, I'll just be figuring out that pretty soon. Then I have the Home Workout app, and I have my Broadbands app as well. So I have the Airtel app, which is my carrier here in India. I have my Excel app. So basically this was my carrier in Indonesia. So I don't know, I just have that app right there. I have the No Crop app right there. I have Prime Now, as I said. Then if we scroll down, I have the Sky View. I have the free version. It works pretty fine. It basically lets us know or tells us the stars and the planets that we have in the sky. So that's there. Then if you scroll down, I have the Solid File Explorer. I have Sony Live to watch the World Cup. I have the Speed Test app right there. I have the Google Tasks. Again, as I said, the VPN. So I have the Tunnel Bear VPN right over there. Then if you go down, we have Uber Eats, as I said. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. These are all the apps that I have. And yeah, I've been using this device for quite a while now. It's been through a lot of wear and tear as well. I basically use this naked, but if I want, I use the Spigen case with this, but it is a rare case itself. So yeah, I mean, for now that's been it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also more videos will be coming soon on this channel as well. So yeah, for now that's been it. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.